So hi everyone. So welcome to Suffer Placement. So today I will discuss about the some important thing like the keyword identifier comment like that. Okay. So firstly I am discussing. So what are the meaning of the keyword? Okay. So the brief idea about the keyword I already gave, but right now I will discuss in the very details. What are the meaning of the keyword? So keyword it is also called the predefined या pre-reserved word. Okay, the keyword it is also called the predefined या pre-reserved word. Okay, and the meaning of the keyword the Verilog compiler already know. I mean the so like what are the example of the keyword, like the keyword example if and else, the data type like wire, like range, like for loop. Yeah, different keyword is there in the Verilog, just like a C language, like repeat loop. Okay, so like that etc etc. Okay, so no need to remember everything. Okay, automatically one day all the keyword so will recognize. Okay, so the meaning of the keyword is the Verilog compiler. The meaning of this keyword already know, and keyword should always in the lower case. Okay, you cannot write in the upper case. Like suppose suppose there is a keyword for loop. Okay, so for, so it should be always in the lower case letter. Okay, so so if you write in the upper case like F, capital F, capital O, and capital R, if you write like that then it will be wrong and it is not a keyword. Okay, not a keyword. Okay, because of that it is in the uppercase, means just it is a variable, not a keyword. Variable you identify identified in the Verilog, this four. So always you should write the keyword in the lowercase letter. This point is most important. The keyword must be in the lowercase. Okay, always you should write, no need to write in the uppercase. If you write in uppercase it is not a keyword, it will be a variable. Okay, and variable name cannot be a keyword. Suppose if you are defining any variable and writing if, no, variable name should not be a keyword name. Okay, like a C language. So this is all about the keyword. So the general thing about the keyword, the meaning of the keyword already know the Verilog compiler. Okay, and keyword must be in the lowercase letter. 2 point and 3 point is important is the variable name cannot be the keyword. In the next slide, I will discuss how to write the variable name in the Verilog and what are the syntax. Okay. Okay. So identifier is nothing but this is the word. Okay, I mean just like a language in Hindi language, English language, there is a word no, like Ram, yeah, anything. So same that in the Verilog, the general meaning of the identifier is the word. Okay, word means that should be a variable and object in the Verilog. Okay, see here, it is just a word like it is just a word like other language. Okay, and it is the name of variable and object in Verilog. Two things here I am telling. One is the variable and one is the object. So identifier means word. Okay, identifier means what? Variable and object. Object means, suppose you are writing any statement, assign y is equal to a and b. So assign it is a object in the Verilog. Okay, and y, suppose you are writing like, just I am giving the example, assign a statement, just piece of code for understanding person y, a and b. Okay, so assign is the object in Verilog, but itself is word. Identifier. Okay, so this is the object in Verilog. So assign is a object, and what are the meaning? This is the y, and this is the a and b. Y, a, and b are the variable. This one is the variable. So, okay, that's what it is the name of variable and object in the Verilog. Okay, that is the identifier. So identifier, it may be variable, it may be object in Verilog. I hope you understand. Okay. Now, so there is a some rule to write. I mean, while writing the variable name. Okay, while writing the variable name, there is a some rule. In the next slide, I am writing here. Okay. So how can you write the variable name? So rule. What are the rules while writing variable name? Okay. So the first rule is, in the variable name only you can include, it is a collection of only, like other. Okay. See. So it is the collection, yeah, collection of what? I mean the digit 0 to 9 and lower या uppercase letter A to Z, या I mean capital A to Z. Okay. And the underscore, so this is the underscore symbol, underscore, under a score, and one thing is the dollar symbol. So if you writing the any variable name, it is the collection of only. So only you can use it, either digit, yeah, letter, it may be uppercase, may be lowercase, and underscore and dollar. Okay. And the second rule, so only four thing you can include. The second rule is, name always will start from the letter या underscore name. I mean variable name must be start from letter, maybe uppercase, lowercase, letter या underscore symbol. Okay. Third rule, name will never start from digit, name will never start from digit या dollar symbol. So this is the variable name. Okay, name means, I hope you understand. So there's the only three rule are there how to write the variable name. Okay. The first rule is that, so only you can include the digit and the letter, underscore and dollar symbol. A name will always start. Name will always. It should start always from letter, yeah, underscore. You cannot start from the digit, yeah, dollar symbol. Okay. Just I'm giving some example. Okay. If you write like suppose you are writing the variable name, and here you are writing like A B home. And you should remember one thing, a space is not allowed in the variable name. Okay. If you ask me to include this, okay, this thing I am also including, then I will give the some example. Okay. Fourth point, a space is not allowed. A space is not allowed in variable name. A space is not allowed in the variable name. Okay. See, uh, okay, in the next. Okay. So here I'm giving the some example. Like if you write name like that, half header. So if you write half header, just I am giving the some variable name example. So if you write a half and header, okay, so this is the space. So this is not a variable name. If you write like that, it is wrong. But if you write like that, a half underscore header, so then it is okay. So name it always it should always start from letter या underscore. So this thing is okay, and it combination of the letter digit underscore या dollar symbol. Suppose example 9 marks. Yeah, it is okay. No, so it is a wrong name. Why? Example 2, example 1. Why? So because here the variable name started from the 9. Suppose I am giving 4 to 5 the and 6. Suppose you are writing the marks underscore 9 2. Okay. Then 2 and yeah, underscore. Ram, please tell me which one is correct and which one is wrong. So here it started from the letter, so it is okay, right? So here it started from the digit 2, so it is wrong. So here underscore half, it is right. Because of that, from the underscore you can start. But here you are starting from the dollar, so it is not a variable name. In the later, just I am, so this is all about the variable. In the upcoming video, I will discuss about the system task. Okay, system task. One thing actually I want to say here, system task. The meaning of the system task is if you want to print something on the screen, yeah, on the monitor, you need to use the system task. System task, it is a special kind of the keyword that will always start from the dollar symbol, like dollar. So display, dollar display, yeah, dollar monitor, yeah, dollar so dollar monitor, dollar time, dollar real time, like that. Why I am telling here? Because of that, suppose if you ask this question one day from me, sir, you told like that the dollar symbol, any name you cannot start from the dollar. Yeah, actually here I told the variable name should not start from the dollar symbol. If variable name you start from dollar, yeah, digit, it will be wrong. But there is a specific thing in the Verilog. If any keyword will start from the dollar symbol, that is the system task. That is the a specific total 9 to 10 system task is there. In the upcoming video I will discuss. So if any keyword is start from the dollar symbol, that is the system task. It is not a variable. That is the system task. Okay. So you should remember this thing. These are the system tasks, and here I write where dollar ram. So it is not a variable name. Okay, because of that, any variable name will not start from the dollar. Here this thing is the system task. Okay, I hope you understand. Now I will discuss some point about yeah, the comment. So I mean, what are the meaning of the comment? Do you understand? So do you understand the meaning of comment? Yeah, it's just like a C language, just like a C language. If you want to write, suppose I mean, you are writing the Verilog code of the multiplexer. So how can identify any one of your friends, yeah, any user, how can identify this is the code of the multiplexer? So there are the two the comment is there, single line comment and the multi line comment. The single line comment and the multi line comment. multi Multi-line comment. Okay, so in case of the single line comment, just it will represent as a double front slice. Okay, and the representation of the multi-line comment is this one, and front slice and this is the a start symbol. After that you need to close this symbol. So this is the representation of the multi-line comment. Comment line ignorable by the Verilog compiler. Comment line only for the user purpose. Suppose you are writing here the Verilog code of the mux, so just put on the top one comment line, and this is the Verilog code for multiplication. Verilog code for for marks. Okay, so this line it will be ignorable from the Verilog compiler. Because of that, it is the comment na. So Verilog compiler will not read the comment. This is the single line comment. If you want to write the more than one, like one start from this with the Verilog code like that something, if you want to write, then in the next line you wrote something, in the next line you are writing something, then here you need to place it. So this is the example of the multi line. So this is the multi-line comment example, and this is the single line. This is the single line comment example. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah, this is the basic thing, just like a C language. Okay, now I will discuss some important point about the white space. What are the meaning of the white space? Suppose, then I will explain. Suppose you are writing one statement in your program in the Verilog code. Assign AWSIGN, assign y and no space a and b. Okay, so the meaning of the white space is that you can include one, at most two or three, four you can also, but the two space, yeah, one space, white space is sufficient. Suppose if you write like that, then you will understand what are the difference between white space. Assign y one white space, then one white space a, one white space, one as white space means one space between a and b, then is there. So I mean, if I ask from you which one is looking better, a statement one or a statement two? A statement one and two both are same. The meaning is same. The purpose of this functionality, it will perform the end operation. But this is looking good, something good compared to this. This is looking something good. That's why here in the Verilog, white space is acceptable. So to enhance the readability of the Verilog code, we can include the some white space, some space. Okay, so just like a y, then put one space, then equal to, then put one space a, one space, and you can give, you cannot give, just depend upon you. For not I mean confusion purpose, sir, sometimes you are writing no space and sometimes you are writing a space. That's why I'm telling. So white space is allowed in the Verilog. We can use white space to organize the code and enhance the readability. Okay, and one thing also, we can write multiple statement in the single line, but it is not a good way for the readability purpose. Means, suppose you are writing one statement in the line, this one. So after that, you can also write like, I mean, anything like assign and y like a or b. Okay, so this means you can also write, so multiple statement you can write in the single line. So this is the one statement, two statement, then then three, four, five statement you can write in the single line. But it is not a good for the I mean the readability purpose. That's why we only write one yet two statement in the single line. If you go for the writing, if you go for the while writing the test which like a one stick of b one semicolon b one stick of b zero, like that. So two or three statement you can include. So that's why I'm telling multiple statement you can include in the single line. This is the one statement, two statement, the three statement you can also write like that. So but this is not a good for the readability purpose. So we can write multiple statement in a single line, but it is not a good way for the readability purpose. I hope you understand this all thing about keyword, about I mean the white space and the variable. So I hope you understand everything. And in the later video I will discuss, actually I'm not going to big this lengthy video, this one. Okay, so one thing I am telling, I hope you all are enjoying this the Verilog playlist. So right now my concern is like that, how can you how can I explain the Verilog so that you will understand in the better way, and one day one day you can write the Verilog code, and you will feel like that the more confident in the Verilog HDL. That is the my motive. But if you ask from me, sir, is there a way only I need to study the Verilog as a for placement purpose? Only interview questions? Definitely 30 to 40 question if I include, if I give the example, just I'm talking 5 minutes, so if I give the example like as a the placement point of view, so 25 to 30 question I can give, no issue. But this way you cannot learn the Verilog HDL properly. If interviewer will ask any questions, the something included in the twist, interviewer will ask some very long question, and he included in that some twist. So how can you handle this thing? Okay, so that's why I'm telling, you need to study the Verilog properly. That's why I'm explaining everything in the details, no issue. In the mid of this course, I will if you if everyone is agree that, then I will make uh, the video on the questions only. Okay, but this course will go completely, this course will go completely. I will complete, I will complete one day. So this very log playlist. Okay, so if anyone watching this thing, definitely he will feel confident. Okay, but for placement questions, yeah. So what kind of the question will ask in that? But suppose he will ask to assign to so about the assign statement. So so usually usually you can tell about the assign statement. Yeah, always block like that. Okay, so this thing only interviewer will ask. Asking and easy questions in the interview. Asking like that from the very log. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, so in the next video we will meet. Just so my thought is like that. Hopefully you all are enjoying this course. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video. And hopefully we'll start the data type in the next video. Okay, yeah. If I left something, then that thing I will cover firstly. Okay, thank you.